State University Mabini campus and currently taking up his Juris Doctor degree at Silliman University. Ladies and gentlemen, he is no less than Mr. Jelly and Jago. Let's give them a round of applause.
Dr. Robert Martin Yasi, John Aberdina, United Campus Director, Dr. E.J. R.C.S. Lover, to the Dean of the different colleges from the College of Business Administration, Dr. Margarito Acabal, to the Dean of the College of Criminal Justice Education, Professor Aaron Taylor, to the Dean of the College of Theology, Dr. Christopher Fernandez, to the Dean of the College of Agriculture, Dr. Raheem Moses, and especially to the Dean of the College of Teacher Education, Arvila Kai, Ina Atalay, Dr. Larry Ali, to the faculty and staff of Dennis Oriental State University, Burkina Campus, to our proud parents and guardians, fellow guests, and most importantly, the graduates of this remarkable day. Good morning. Today, we celebrate not just an academic milestone, but the foundations of the year filled with effort, growth, and discovery. This day is more than just a ceremony. It is a symbol of how far we've come and how much farther we have still go. When you look back on your journey, remember that every single challenge you face shaped you into the person standing here today. The sleepless nights, the countless midnights, the moments of doubt, all of this were not there today. But today, each struggle became a stepping stone toward success. Preparation towards the end of life, but it's also the exciting beauty of life. Life beyond this world will not always be easy. The real world will test your patience, your strength, and your faith. There will be times you feel excited or lost, but I hope you never forget what these achievements really means. That you are capable, resilient, and brave enough to face whatever comes next. A time to celebrate what has been accomplished and the dream of what is yet to come. Each gathering here has one meaning, your own. Some aim with confidence, others with one objective, some carrying burdens, others facing possible dreams. But all of you, every single one, chose to be bold, and the choice, more than aim, is what defines true success. The journey to this day was not easy. You have faced countless challenges, sleepless nights, spent internship projects, avoiding rushing to have your first class, sacrifices made just to a deadline or pass an exam. There were moments when you doubted yourself, moments when you thought giving up. Yet you still learned, you pursued, you did good, and those hardships. They were never signs of weakness. They were proof of your strength. They became your teachers, molding your characters, sharpening your mind, and strengthening your heart. Every obstacle you conquered brought you closer to this moment. Among my lecturers, as brightly as it is, diplomas and smiles we see today. But as you celebrate, remember this. Graduation is not a finish line. It is the starting point of a new journey. The world outside these walls is vast and ever-changing. And your courage, your patience, your resilience, and your values, you will encounter both victories of us, joy and pain, praise and criticism. But that is what matters. A man of pride and shadow that makes every success meaningful. In facing the world ahead and vision your three values that I believe will serve as your purpose. First, courage. Why do we carry, or why is it important to carry the task of courage? It is important for us to carry courage because we will have the courage to follow your dreams or our dreams, even when it is impossible. Remember that success is not for those who never fail, but for those who never give up and who lives and try. Second is to hard. No matter how far you go, remain kind and humble. Use your knowledge and skills not just for good in life, but to make a difference in the lives of others. And the philosophy is let everything be accomplished in a world where it's easy to difference. Choosing what is right. And when no one is watching. To the parents, the teachers, thank you for your patience, sacrifices, and love. The kind successful graduate is a group of people who believe in him. And today, your efforts are also being celebrated. And to the graduates, always remember, this is not the end of your learning journey. It is just the beginning of never-ending discovering who you truly are and what you're meant to become someday. Continue to explore, grow, and dream. You may not know what the future holds, but as long as you hold your purpose in others, you will never lose hope or lose your way. As you step out into the next chapter of your life, may you walk with pride in your heart, wisdom in your mind, and hope in your soul. The world is waiting for your light, so shine brightly and make a difference wherever you go. Once again, congratulations, graduates. May your success today be only the beginning of a lifetime of achievements. Thank you, and may God bless you.